RAF jet fighters have intercepted two long-range Russian military aircraft approaching UK airspace. The request came when UK aviation authorities tried to make contact with the Tu-95 Russian Bear aircraft. The Ministry of Defence said the Russian aircraft were carrying out routine training in international airspace as it flew towards Denmark. The two aircraft were a surveillance type and are often used to test response times. This isn't entirely unusual though, as British jets have been scrambled in a similar way before. In the last year, this happened around 8 times.